Courageous. Are you waking up tired even after what should have been a full night's sleep? Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams from the UK.
And many men over 50 notice their energy fading, weaker erections, or flatter moods. And no matter what they try, nothing seems to work. There is one essential vitamin that most men completely overlook, yet it can restore deep sleep, boost testosterone, and revive energy. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Tap like, subscribe, and join our community so you can take control of your health.
Are you waking up exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Are your erections weaker, your energy fading, and your mood flat no matter what you do? I hear this from men over 50 every day. Tonight, I'll share a commonly overlooked vitamin that can restore energy, testosterone, and deep sleep, but only when taken at the right time. Before we dive in, let me know where you're watching from and be sure to tap like and subscribe. Here's something most men don't realize. It's not just age that affects your strength at night. Your biology is quietly changing beneath the surface. After 50, your body's nighttime repair system begins to weaken. Hormones like testosterone, growth hormone, and nitric oxide, which used to surge while you slept, start to decline. I see it all the time. Men who go to bed on schedule but don't recover. Their sleep is lighter, more restless, and mornings no longer bring that sense of power they once had. Your circadian rhythm, the body's 24-hour internal clock, once managed this perfectly. It knew when to release testosterone, deepen sleep, and repair blood vessels. Over time, the signal weakens. The brain still sends messages, but the body lacks the resources to respond, and modern life only makes it worse. Bright screens at night trick the brain into thinking it's daytime. A late-night glass of wine or heavy meal keeps your liver active when it should be resting. Even low-level stress tells the body to hold back on repair. Here's the truth. Most men over 50 are operating at only half their potential because they're missing a single nutrient that triggers this nighttime repair cycle. In the next chapter, I'll reveal what it is and why timing is critical. Most men overlook one key mineral, magnesium. It's essential for nighttime repair but often forgotten in men's health. Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical reactions, including blood pressure regulation, muscle relaxation, nerve signaling, testosterone, and nitric oxide, the very signals needed for erections and restorative sleep. After 50, magnesium levels often drop without notice. Many men come to my clinic complaining of low energy, restless legs, or poor sleep. They've tried melatonin, teas, or prescription sleep aids, but the root cause is usually magnesium deficiency. Without enough magnesium, blood vessels remain tense, muscles stay tight, and the brain can't reach deep sleep. The result, waking up fatigued, foggy, and weaker than the day before. The solution is often simple. Take magnesium before bed, preferably in forms like glycinate or threonate. It helps muscles relax, improves circulation, and supports hormonal repair while you sleep. Typical clinical doses range from 200 to 400 milligrams daily, but your exact dose should be discussed with a healthcare provider, especially if you take medications or have kidney concerns. However, magnesium alone isn't enough. In the next chapter, I'll show a combination that maximizes its benefits and boosts nighttime hormone production. Here's why many men stop too soon. They take magnesium, notice a slight improvement, then wonder why energy and performance only partially recover. Magnesium is powerful, but it becomes transformative when combined with zinc and vitamin D. These three nutrients create a natural recovery triangle. Zinc supports testosterone production, essential for strength, drive, and vitality. Yet stress, alcohol, and common medications like diuretics can deplete zinc and magnesium. Vitamin D, often low due to reduced sun exposure, activates hundreds of repair genes while you sleep. Low levels hinder tissue restoration. Together, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D optimize sleep, erections, and energy. Clinicians often recommend magnesium in the evening, zinc with dinner, and vitamin D in the morning. Exact timing depends on labs and medical guidance, but even this adjustment can restore your natural rhythm. But there's one more critical factor: circulation. Erections are not just hormonal, they're vascular. Testosterone alone can't create reliable performance if blood flow is restricted. Magnesium taken at night relaxes artery and vein walls, boosting circulation to the heart, brain, and male performance areas. During deep sleep, nitric oxide peaks, opening vessels, restoring tissues, and replenishing energy. If vessels are stiff or inflamed, this signal never reaches full potential. Small lifestyle tweaks amplify these benefits. A warm shower, light stretching, or slow nasal breathing before bed enhances blood flow. Avoid late meals and alcohol, which divert the body from repair. Men who follow these habits often notice deeper sleep, stronger morning erections, and steadier energy throughout the day. The takeaway: you have far more control over energy, sleep, and performance after 50 than many believe. Most men over 50 think decline is inevitable. Fatigue, low libido, and restless nights aren't just part of aging. After decades of treating men, I can assure you that's not true. Your body is ready to heal. It just needs the right conditions: magnesium, zinc, vitamin D, and oxygen-rich sleep. When you provide these, mornings feel lighter, mood stabilizes, erections regain strength, and energy returns. You are not past your prime. You're entering a stage where smart choices matter more than effort. If this video helped, subscribe to our community for men over 50 seeking lasting confidence, strength, energy, and restorative sleep without gimmicks. Every week I share insights on hormones, prostate health, nutrition, and natural performance. Leave a comment with where you're watching from and how your sleep and energy are. Remember, this nighttime vitamin is simple, safe, and often overlooked, but it can transform how you feel. Make nights your recovery time again. Your health is worth it, and so are you.